Hi. Today, we will learn about a small update in the Pine script programming language. It is about multi-line strings. See, I have a simple indicator code here. We have a string ABC here. And I have shown that string on a label. So, this is how the string ABC looks. But, what if I wanted each letter on a new line? For that, we have to use the /n escape sequence. /n means new line. See, each letter is now on a new line. And what if I wanted letter B a little toward the right side? For that, we have to use multiple /t escape sequences. /t means tab. See, the letter B has shifted slightly to the right. But doing this exercise over and over again on a large text would be really tedious. So, Pine script has now introduced multi-line strings. How does it work? Simply write your string in triple quotes. See, I have written 3 double quotes before and after the string. You may use single quotes as well. Now see, at this moment, nothing is special. Now, I will shift the letters to a new line just by pressing Enter on my keyboard. And also, I will move letters B and C towards the right a little, just by pressing the space bar on my keyboard. And see, the changes are reflected in the output. Each letter is on a new line, and the letters B and C have shifted towards the right side, all this, without using any escape sequence. This is possible because we are now using the multi-line strings feature. It's a small but useful update in the Pine script language. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.